Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I decided to pick up the Galaxy Z Fold 6. I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing and give you my first impressions of the device. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Yes, it is Samsung season again. Fold 6 and Flip 6 with the Watch 7 Ultra and the Watch 7. They sent these out earlier than they normally do. Shout out to Samsung for sending them out earlier, because I don't think they really come out until the 24th, which is like next Wednesday. But in this video, I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing, which we all know there's not much in the box, and we go over the specs, and I'm gonna give you my first impressions of the Z Fold 6. Now, a lot of people are complaining they haven't made that many upgrades from the other devices, from like the Fold 5, even the Fold 4. But if you're a techie, you want to pick up the latest and greatest, here it is. They will have some great trade-in deals that you could get on pre-order, so maybe they're still available when you're watching this video. But let's get into it. I decided to pick up the blue, as you can tell there. Yes, I'm a big Michigan fan, so wait until I show y'all my Flip 6. It kind of goes with the theme here. Let's see, these are not supposed to troll you, but I guess they are. Especially if you don't have fingernails. The struggle is real. Alright, so the struggle is real there, but look at the box. I mean, it's skinny, we know what it is. Okay. I don't know how this is going to show up on the camera here, but let's peel that off too. But look at that color. It feels light. I think it's like 239 grams, but it feels light. And then peel this off. Oh, the bezels are smaller too. We'll go over it. Let's power this bad boy on. I can tell you right now, it feels lighter than last year's model. Definitely feels lighter. Do I have any juice? Yes, I do. Bam. You have a little screen protector on the front there. Like this little cover here. You're not gonna keep that on there, okay? Peel that off. But let's set that aside. Let's see what else you get in the box. It's on the top here. But you're just gonna get your SIM card slot, tool remover there. You're gonna get your charging cable, some books, you know, just the normal stuff you don't really look for. Again, no charging port, none of that good stuff. No cases. We know. So that's the unboxing experience right there. All right, so here is the phone itself. It has some juice in there, but you have your power button there with the fingerprint scanner, volume rockers, your SIM card slot. You have some cameras there, but the first thing I'm gonna say is that it feels light. I'm not, definitely lighter than what it has. I like the boxy feel too. They did that with the S24 Ultra too. Bam. But I love the color of this thing too. But let's go over it real quick. Power button, volume rockers, SIM card slot. You have cameras there. You have more microphones up here. Speaker, it looks like. Charging port, more, another speaker. You also have a microphone there. When you open it up, bam. You can see the beautiful screen there. The hinge feels better. They didn't really talk much about it. The crease is still there. So on the front, what they did, they were supposed to make the bezel smaller around. So now you have the 6.3 inch Super AMOLED panel here, LTPO, 120 hertz. Both this display and the main display gets up to 2600 of brightness, which is great. Now again, a lot of complaints are they don't make this wide enough. The front screen is not wide. It is a little bit wider. We'll let y'all know. I have some big hands, so I will definitely let y'all know. It comes with the same battery size, the 4400 milliamp hour battery, which is, you know, I mean, I wish they could do a bigger battery. It has the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor on here. It also has Android 14 with Samsung UI 6.1.1 or something on here. The cameras on the back are a 50 megapixel wide. You also have a 10 megapixel telephoto and a 12 megapixel ultra wide. They still have the in-display camera up there, which you barely can see. That is still a 4 megapixel. Again, I don't use my phone wide open. In the front, you have a 10 megapixel camera here too. But the way you can use your phone, you can use the rear cameras for selfies. So I don't know who uses these cameras. Maybe for Zoom, you have that out there too. What y'all think about the bezels though? Alright, so I'm going to pause the video. Let me go ahead and put my SIM card in here. Come back, use it for a little bit. And I just give you my quick impressions of the phone too. Okay everyone, so I was able to go ahead and set it up. I've been using it for a little bit now. And again, the first thing I noticed is how light it is. The other thing is the boxy feel. I love this blue color. I love how matte finish these sides are and everything else. The hinge feels better too. It could be a mind game, I guess, a mind trick. But the hinge definitely feels better. The crease looks about the same though. Not gonna lie. But it's not as noticeable. It's still there. You can see it and you can feel it. But the overall feel, the size of it looks great. Look at, there's barely any spaces in between the two panels. I mean, the overall build quality is good. I did take a picture, a couple pictures. Let's see, gallery, not my car, but I took that one and this one with it. Cameras seem okay. The storage is good. One thing I didn't mention is that it comes with 256, 512, or 1 terabyte. This is 512 gigabytes of storage, 12 gigs of RAM on there, so in case y'all was wondering. But overall, the snappiness of it, just, I mean, it's Samsung. It works really good. I'm missing the fingerprint scanner. I think they should try to do like an in-display because I don't know if I like the side ones, but overall, the software is good on here. I mean, everything just works so good so far, and the build is just nice. Now, again, can the front screen be a little bit bigger? Yes. It could be a little bit bigger, especially for typing stuff. You know, you still have that small screen on there. I'm going to let y'all know. I'm going to let y'all know how I feel about it, see if it's any water. But what y'all think about the bezels, too. But overall, I'm enjoying it. Stay tuned to the channel. I have a lot of cases coming for it. I'm going to do a camera test on it. Y'all let me know what other videos you want to see on this device from me. I will definitely do it. Also, the pen didn't change. They didn't put the pen in the phone. I wish they did. I can't even find the pen that I have for the Z Fold 5. They really didn't talk much about it. The one thing they did talk about was the AI features on here, which I will dig into a little bit more, you know, using the phone. But everything's AI. You have AI like software. You can draw a picture and it will take a picture like that. It has call waiting or something. I mean, there's a bunch of AI features in here that we will dig into and see. What y'all think about AI? Is it going to take over the world? Is it going to steal your jobs? I don't know. But every phone is becoming AI. Even Google's doing it. Apple's doing it. Everyone's talking about AI. So stay tuned to the channel. Again, y'all let me know what you want from me on this device. I will definitely try to make that video. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forz Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.